Hungry but not sure where to eat on the Sky Princess? Let's go through all the included and paid options available to you. Starting with what's included on your cruise is the buffet, the World Fresh Marketplace. This is located on the middle to the aft of Deck 16. Here you can get a wide variety of food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as desserts from the pastry shop. This can sometimes get busy during popular times, but we found there was a good amount of seating on this ship. If you're looking for something quick to grab, why not pizza? The Slice is located on Deck 16 near the forward of the ship and is open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. and offers a few selections of grab-and-go slices, including a daily special that changes. Just on the other side of the deck, we have the Salty Dog Grill. Also open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. You can grab all kinds of stuff off the grill, from burgers, hot dogs, french fries, chicken strips, and more. There is usually a wait for this food, but it is short, and they often take your order and give you a pager so you can sit down while you wait. Now, after all that food, you're probably thinking, ice cream. Head over to Swirls, also on Deck 16, just in front of the buffet. They offer complimentary soft serve, usually chocolate, vanilla, or mix, and a few toppings if desired in a cup or a cone. Now, some people don't know this, but the main dining rooms are included. You have 3 dining rooms, each depending on how you wish to dine. First is the Cielo dining room, located on Deck 6 aft. This can only be accessed by the aft elevators and is your normal set time dinner dining with reserved seating. This can be booked on the Princess app, and you can select your time from a variety of times and will have the same table and time each night. Alternatively, you have the Soleil dining room. This is located on Deck 5 mid and has 2 seating times at 5 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. If you want something a little more flexible without reservations, you have the Estrella dining room located on Deck 6 mid. Here is your walk-in dining, where you can just show up at any time between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. for dinner, but it can be busier and have wait times. This is also where you would go if you wish to have breakfast from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., lunch from 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. on select days, as well as tea time from 3 to 3:45 p.m. The International Cafe is located on Deck 5 to the side of the piazza. This is open 24 hours and offers a variety of sandwiches, snacks, and desserts, as well as breakfast options if you just want a quick grab and go, useful before an early excursion. Everything is included except for the specialty drinks. Last of the included food options will be your stateroom breakfast. You can fill out the menu given in your cabin and put it on your door and have it brought to you in the morning. Now let's look at some of the premium dessert and drink options, starting with the premium drinks that you can find at the International Cafe, Pastry Shop, and also the Princess Live Cafe. These are all included in both Plus and Premier. Next up is gelato. Here you can order a variety of gelato options and toppings, as well as specialty gelato creations, which we didn't find that great of a value if you have to pay for it than just paying for the much more affordable normal gelato. Here is also where you can get specialty cake slices. All of this is included in your 2 per day allotment for Plus or Unlimited for Premier. Ocean Now delivery is a great option if you want something brought to you without having to move. You can use the Princess app to order a wide variety of both included and paid food and drink options directly to your location. This does have a one-time charge, currently $14.99 per person per voyage, unless you have Plus or Premier package where it is included.
If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and helping us support the channel.
If you're looking for a sit-down restaurant, these next 2 casual dining venues are a great choice. First is Ocean Terrace Sushi. Overlooking the piazza from Deck 7, you can enjoy sushi rolls, sashimi, and other traditional Japanese favorites. Right beside this, also on Deck 7, is Alfredo's Pizzeria, which serves up an authentic hand-tossed Neapolitan-style pizzas baked fresh in an open kitchen. Here you can choose from a variety of pizzas or create your own, including calzones. Each of these have full meals for $14.99 or a la carte options, but you do get 2 per cruise with Plus or Unlimited with Premier. Sabatini's is the first of 3 specialty dining experiences on the Sky Princess. From 5:30 to 9:30 p.m., you can experience the best in Italian cuisine. You are served a 5-course meal in a gorgeous setting on Deck 5 across from guest services. If you're in the mood instead for some seafood, the Catch by Rudy's has you covered. Lobster, shrimp, crab cakes, all available here and more on Deck 7 on top of the piazza. This is also open from 5:30 to 9:30 p.m. And finally, we have the Crown Grill, your classic steakhouse experience, which also has some seafood. This is located to the aft of Deck 7 and is also open 5:30 to 9:30 p.m. All of these have a cover charge, which are $45 per adult and $27.50 per child at the time of our sailing, but are all included unlimited with the Premier package. So there you have it, all the food that the Sky Princess has to offer. What are you excited for, or what do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below.